This is a demo for the Semantically-enabled Journal Portal presented at the International Semantic Web Conference 2013. This project is developed by faculty and graduate students at UCSB and Wright State University. This portal offers a variety of interactive scientometric modules for exploring the linked data accessible via the Semantic Web Journal, including the location of visitors. We can move over to things related to specific authors, details, networks, maps of where they might be located. We can search up a specific user, look at their network related to specific papers that they've published or authors that they published with. You can click on any of these authors and see their related authors, and so on and so forth. We can pull these out and expand the network to look deeper into the specific network of linked authors, editors, and specific journal entries. We can look at a citation map for a specific author as well. So if we search for a specific author, we can see the papers that they've published in this journal. If we click on any one of those papers, we can see a specific list of citations, a map of the citations for that specific article. And we can see papers of interest or recent citations. We can click on any of these markers and see that specific paper that was cited, or the paper that cited the other papers. We can also see the most common links, so which authors have the most common links or citations of that specific paper. Moving on, we can look more at the specific statistics for individual authors. We can see the relation of their collaborators, for example. We can look at a co-author tree map, and this allows us to look at co-authors of a specific author. We can see based on paper, we can see based on the specific institution in which that author is located, and we can see co-authors and other papers that this author has published. If we move more into the statistics, we can see the papers by submission type. This allows you to look through a list of those by a pie chart. We can look at just general statistics for the publication as well. So we can see total number of authors, total number of papers, this kind of information. Looking more at the trends, we can see submission type is a cumulative graph, and this is based on a specific time period. Additionally, we can view this information in other ways, such as a line graph based on time period or a line graph based on specific submission types. One of the more interesting aspects of this semantically enabled journal portal is the ability to look at something like a hive chart, which shows these axes, and the green axis is related keywords, the blue is related to specific papers, and the orange axes are the authors. As you hover over one, it highlights the specific related entities in the other. As you can see, there's many-to-many relationships on a number of these, and it's a very cool visualization for how you can actually see the relationship between these three different dimensions of a specific paper, person, or keyword. Additionally, all this data is published as linked data. We're looking at the PUBI interface here that allows you to click through any number of these specific entities we have. So be they authors, specific papers, specific people, specific editors. As you can see in this list here, nodes are actually related to the Drupal nodes that we have on the website. You can click through to any of these and see who's the editor, what the relationship, what the status of that specific paper is, whether it's been published or not, who the co-authors are. There's a wide variety of other specific entities you can click through using the linked data model that we provided through the Semantically Enabled Journal Portal.